posts, all different heights. Look at this. Absolutely appalling. But that's what happens when you go with the cheapest quote, unfortunately. And this is the best bit. Good morning and welcome to today's video. Just a little short one. I'm at one of my regular customers' sites here, come to do a few little bits and pieces, and I thought I'd just share a quick story with you about the fence. I'll just spin this camera around, I'll just quickly show you what I'm talking about. So if you look through there, I don't know whether you can see, it's not this new fence, it's this old bit there, and it runs right the way along there. There's a bit of a gate just behind that tree and it runs right up there. I think there's about 26 metres, something like that, altogether. Anyway, if you remember back in November, I think it was, November, December time, just before Christmas 2021, it'll have been, had all those storms, that fence got blown down. I think, did the gate? Yeah, the gate went down as well. So it was about 26 metres of it went down. All that soil, all the ground there is all built up. It's a fairly new building, this. So it's pretty soft. So it hadn't snapped the post at all, just sort of blown over in the ground and brought the soil up a little bit. Anyway, I was going through the insurance, so I put a price in. My idea was to pull it all back straight, reset them in, and then in between each of the posts, so sort of 3 foot apart, I was going to dig a hole 3 foot deep, put a 10-foot post in. It's a 6-foot fence with 8-foot posts at the minute, only 2 foot into the ground. So I thought the extra foot might hit some solid ground. Anyway, insurance company obviously went with the cheapest quote. So I'm just going to quickly show you, I'll go through there. And I'll quickly show you the workmanship and see what you think. I think it's absolutely appalling. I don't like to comment on other tradesmen's jobs normally, but I think it's absolutely disgusting and I don't know how they got away with it. Anyway, I'll give you a quick walk around. So here we are at this side of the fence. Doesn't look too bad, to be honest. You can see all this lot was down. And I think all this lot up to that new bit of fence was down, and this little bit of gate. Anyway, we'll come through the gate. And there we have it. So they've propped that post up there. These are all the original posts that did come out, but I was going to straighten up. Prop them back up like that. Got nails protruding through there. Posts all different heights, look at this. That one there is really tall. There. That one there set a little bit low. But yeah, pretty rough. Here we have broken rail. I would replace that. They've just pieced a little piece in, and this is the best bit. They've obviously cut a post too short and just nailed a little piece on top there to fix in. Absolutely appalling, but that's what happens when you go with the cheapest quote, unfortunately. So there you go, you've seen the evidence for yourselves. It'd be nice to see what other people think of that. Is it acceptable? Am I just a bit fussy? I don't think so. I think it's horrendous, especially the little bit of block on top of the post, things like that. I don't know how they do it, how they get away with it, how people pay them, I don't know. But if you would like to leave your comments below, let me know if you think it's acceptable or not, or what you would do. I haven't reported it to anyone, I haven't told the property manager or anything. It's not my place to do so, so if she notices it, she notices it, but I'm saying nothing. Anyway, as always, thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed it. Just a short one, something different today. So thanks very much, and I'll see you all later.